everyone, so I thought I'd show you our new 500ml concentrate bottles, how to fill it and how to fill your 750. So once it's empty, you start off and you put in water to about this level, and then you squeeze this bottle until the container fills up to 25ml. There we go, and you undo this side. Into your bottle. And then you squeeze again. Woo! Close the lid. So we have another 25ml. There you go, that's your full 50ml concentrate. Top it up with a bit of water. And then you put your trigger in. And if for any reason your trigger doesn't work, if it's brand new, what happens is sometimes there's a bit of an airlock in here. So what you need to do is just take off the trigger. Make sure it's open, squeeze a few times until water comes through. You can switch it off, and there you go. Your airlock is out, and you can continue to use. Oops.